Hi guys, Culver here. I've just received a package from Charles Builds Crap. Funny name, nice guy, very nice. He sent me out his third challenge lock. That's what I had written down over there. Okay, so this is his third challenge lock. I think I've seen a video of Murloc picking his second one, or maybe he was just showing it. I don't know. So yeah, I'll try to put his description or a link to his channel below. Like and subscribe to him. I'm not gonna ask for you to do it for me, but Charles, Charles Builds Crap. He has a great channel. Picks some good stuff with some good locks. And just all around nice guy. So yeah, so let's get this thing open. Check. Oh, got a dent here, so nice heavy pack here. I don't know where to open this. Well, right here be my guess. Yeah, so I had quite a few packages on my doorstep. I got back from kind of a brunch with the wife. It's my birthday, so kind of a good birthday present. All these locks. Even got a Mako in. I'm gonna open that later. And where is the other one? Oh yes, the Lockwood. From Keyless Entry. Thanks again. I couldn't get that right away, so and I did study his video, Charles' video making the, or not making this, but picking it, and it looked pretty intimidating because it reminded me of picking the Gamma 700, but I got pretty proficient at manual counter rotation. So, but I don't know anything about the lock that he sent. And oh wow, we got some stuff in here. And, my collection is not that great yet. I'm trying to get there. I've kind of got one of everything, but yeah, I wish I had stuff like this to give out. Oh wow, so that's cool. We got Charles Builds Crap. His logo. It's a really cool logo, by the way. I do not have a master lockout tagout. My first was the pack lock, so that's really cool. And it's got his logo, so that's going to be a keeper for sure. So I'll put that up there next to the pack. Ooh, look at that! Look at that bitting. That is nasty. So thank you, Charles, for that. I gave Charles a little something in his, but it was just so small compared to things he threw in here. So we got a master lock with like a wafer. We're getting this. Yeah, older master lock. It's really cool. Oh, is that a best? Yeah, it is. It's an old best. Very cool. So yeah, try to get these guys picked, and got another. Oh, he sent me two. Wow. So since I've said that I don't have, is this key gonna come out? There we go. That looks like some different bitting there. Yeah, another one. Wow. So I'll try to pick these, but I'm going to. I have to. But I may, just pass some of these along since I don't have much to give out to other people. My collection just did a dominoes effect because of Charles Belcher lockout tagout. That was pretty cool. Alright, so yes, we'll put these, sorry, we are not, put these over here. Thank you so much, Charles, for that. And for the challenge lock itself here. Yep, so it's number 3. Charles Belcher scrap 3. Is it a quick set? I'm not sure. I'm not going to look at the key. I don't know if he showed it on his video or not, but either way, I don't remember. So that right up here. There we go. Going nowhere. Nice package. Thanks again, Charles. That was awesome. Now, let's get my butt kicked by your challenge lock. So I don't have any tools out. I think I'm going to use probably my Tron. I'll get out a standard hook just in case I want to move to that, and I'll get out a HD. Kind of like prepare for everything. Now the trick to this is going to be what am I going to use for that manual counter. Now he did say that he has messed with it a bit since that video, so I don't know if it's even needed. But I'll make sure that I have the ability to do so. Needed. Counter. Oh man, that sucks. Can we use? Yeah, we use it like that. Okay. Here's our setup. This is one of my favorite tension tools. I think I show it off all the time. And if I'm not mistaken, quick sets are usually 5 pins. But that doesn't mean anything when it comes to challenge locks. So, okay, moving to 1, nothing. Okay, we got something on, got rotation on 2. Looked like a bit of a false set for it to have gone that far. Yep, so everything's kind of bound up. Usually indicates a false set. Okay. And that indicates an overset. So we're restarting. 2. That's a false set on 3. Overset. Faucet on 2. Okay, so 3 got us out of the faucet. I hope we did not. go back to a overset. Hold on now. Huh. Is it 3? I think these want to give us, yeah, more counter. Alright, I think we're on 4 now. Okay, we're not bolted down tight enough. Hold on, let's stay there. Okay, so we're on 4. Okay. Let's work back through here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I think we're overset. Knowing Charles, he could probably be a tricky guy. Oh, hold on. Is that a pin or is that? I think it's the wording in the back there. Start the back, we got a faucet there, deeper faucet. We have 4. There's the only thing binding, so I think I'm just gonna get this out of our faucet here. Alright. Moving to 1. 1 is binding. Okay. Alright, back in our faucet. Jeez, Charles. Ooh, 1 is binding again. We're out of that faucet. I hope I was supposed to go counter there. I don't know. Alright, yeah, you built one tough cookie. I think I'm going to move to 50 thousandths if I can. If I can locate it. Yep, a lot more stable up there. So, looking on 1 naturally. Who's going to give us the faucet this time? 2. 2 clicks out 2. Ooh, big faucet. Jeez Louise. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Did we get it? I think it's one. Yep, there we go. There might be more. Okay, moves forward on 4 or 5, I'm not sure. I think we're overset. Jeez, man. I think could be a pin hiding. Okay, hold on. No, nothing. I thought I saw something on one for some reason. Looking for a pin that's gonna give us some counter rotation. It's the only one I could. It's so shallow. I don't know if it. Move forward a little bit on one there. There is binding, but it's not binding enough to. Hold on. Maybe it was. No, I'm not throwing the counter. It's the only thing binding here. We're gonna use you. Please don't be overset. Charles built a monster. I'm gonna have my hands full. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and call that an attempt. Wow, that's pretty cool. I love manual rotation, and it's It's definitely fun. Really interested to see what you got in there. Oops, the tape here. Meant for that to be permanent. I kind of knew I wasn't going to get this one open right off the bat. Just hoping, but I'm going to keep that there for kind of for proof I haven't opened it or gutted it or checked out the warding or the bitting. Maybe if yeah, so that was a really tough challenge lock. I'm gonna have to go through some of his, see if Murloc got to his, and see if they're similar. I don't know. Put some more black tape on this side. There you go. That should keep it down. So everything fell down back there. Some big domino effect. Alright. So there. That lock will stay. Alright, thanks again, Charles. Some cool locks you sent me. Of course, I'll pick them and I'll pass some of them along. I want to keep one. I hope I can. Keep one with your logo on it, just for a trophy for sure. And pass one along to someone else that might know you in the future. Thank you so much, very kind, and we will try to do a take two some other time. Thanks. Culper here. I was just defeated horribly by Charles Builds Crap. Challenge lock up there. Hopefully he's not sitting there too long so I can get it on the way. Anyway, so I'm kind of bummed out here because I haven't been opening any locks today. It's my birthday. I'm going to save these two for Model Lock Tuesday. Or is it Monday? One of the days, I'll figure it out. And I'm not really sure how to open that with that. It might be one of those lever lock. I don't know. I'll look into it. But I've never opened a vest, so I think that would be cool to try out. Never owned. Do I have that right? Owned a vest. I know they make some really tough ones. So yeah, put those locks down for now. So thanks, Charles Builds Crap. Charles, thank you for the lock, and he's on top of the keyway. About light tension. Click at a 1. Click at a 2. And 3. Oh, we got it open. There we go. We got something open today. Pretty short video. Thanks Charles again for that. Nice lock. Since I beat this, next time I send out a challenge lock to somebody, I'll throw this in there with something else of mine. Very generous. Thank you.